We are obsessed with data. That's why we scrape e-commerce websites worldwide to uncover what makes a successful e-commerce business in the US. So stay till the end for some data-driven tips. But first, let's talk about how we got our insights. We collected data from 40 countries across the globe. In each country, we looked for the 3 most popular e-commerce websites with the most visitors. Then we evaluated the info from these websites based on 28 criteria, covering 5 stages of product purchasing. These stages are browsing, reviews, investigating, expanding, and decisions. Based on these categories, we assign scores that decide an e-commerce maturity index. This number tells you how advanced the market is in each country and what users should expect from their experience. If you want to learn more about the study, check the link below. Now, let's focus on North America, particularly the United States, and what secrets we uncovered. Among all countries, the US stands out in 2 key areas: reviews and investigating. In the reviews category, US e-commerce platforms are among the leaders with an 85.7 score out of 100. It means that on most websites, users can access product details, compare options, ask questions, find buyer and expert reviews, and directly communicate with customer support. But when it comes to the investigating dimension, the US scores just 8.5%. This category includes product background information like safety warnings, sustainability practices, and ethical sourcing details. The pattern shows that US e-commerce platforms cater to a culture that values openness and communication. But due to lower customer protection standards than in Europe, there is less incentive to provide detailed background info. So, what does this mean for businesses looking to enter the US e-commerce market? Here are some tips that you could use to beat the competition. Set up advanced review systems. Allow customers to leave detailed feedback, rate products, and interact with other users' reviews. Platforms like Amazon and Best Buy are great examples of this. Implement Q&A sections. Create spaces where customers can ask questions and get answers from both the community and the businesses. This builds a knowledgeable customer base and grows trust. Invest in customer support. Offer support through live chat, email, and phone. Help users make informed decisions. An efficient and responsive service can significantly boost the shopping experience and build client loyalty. Given the low performance in investigating dimension, there's a big opportunity to stand out by focusing on transparency and ethical practices. Some of the things you can do are providing clear info on the sustainability practices related to products. This includes details on materials, manufacturing process, and recycling options. You can also promote transparency about sourcing materials and labor, highlight certifications, fair trade practices, and supplier standards to build trust with ethically conscious consumers. Reassure customers about the reliability and safety of their purchases, especially for products with potential health or safety risks. To sum up, the US e-commerce landscape is a mix of strengths and weaknesses. To succeed in this market, leverage strengths in review and communication features. But to truly stand out, focus on sustainability and transparency. Want to get more tips specific to your industry or for other countries? Visit the e-commerce maturity index website with the link in the description.